Want a treat? All right, Maggie. All right, sit. Sit. Maggie. Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. Good girl, Maggie.
He had just trivial injury, and the same with the nose was
Okay.
Dr. Bobby, will we ever know if George Zimmerman's nose was...
All right, now, Maggie, lay down, down, Maggie, down. Oh, good girl, Maggie. Good girl.
He is conversing. There's no x-ray ever done of his
Good
nose.
girl, Maggie. Good girl.
Will we ever have an answer to that question as to whether or
Good
not
girl.
his nose was broken?
Look at you. All right, Maggie, come on. Sit. Sit. Come on. Get up here. Sit. No, Maggie, sit. Sit up. Sit. Sit. Oh, get a pole too? All right.
And I think it's speculation. It should
Good girl, Maggie.
even now can help this.
Good girl.
Well, that's my point, doctor, and I'm going to bring in the
Okay.
lawyers again. We've got our legal team
Now,
on
Maggie.
Gold, Paige Pate, and Penn Nelson. Guys, look, if
You
got a
stay.
charged with
Maggie.
murder who has
Stay.
self-defense, wouldn't you send him to the
Maggie,
hospital now that
stay.
he did have a
Stay, Maggie.
even though it's
Stay.
more than that, because it would show, as
Oh,
Dr. Bobby said,
stay.
fracture.
Okay.
Start with you,
Come
Paige.
on. Get it.
Well, Judge,
Get it. Get it now. Come on.
I mean, that's just it. I use
Come on, Maggie.
every day.
Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. Yes, you're a good girl today.
advantage, they would have told
You're
us.
a good girl.
Exactly. But what if it didn't work to their advantage? What if they sent it
Did
to
you
the
get the
doctor?
pictures of it?